microphone cable, which we've done, and the USB cable for the USB right down to the bottom there. And so we did a better job than previous automotives. So I can tape a couple of cables here and here, and put the fascia on, just this part here. So took it off the keyboard and put it into the Pioneer, as you can see. Now what we're going to do here now is put the radio back in the brand new radio and give it a test as well. So we're putting that back in. It seems like perfectly slots itself back in like that. Done. And then get a test of, won't worry about test run, but I'll put the nuts back in to secure it as we had it before. Long extension lead, extension stick. Just put the torch on there so we can see a bit back there. Yeah, cool. Since you find that it's tight, it's good enough. Nice one. And there we have it. And then we're going to come put these aircon back onto it, the old fascia for it, a bit later on, which goes back up like how this goes in basically in reverse. That's how I put it out. Then you have it. That takes some time, but yeah, there you have it. I might just get the keys and just give a bit of a test. because I just think maybe something I just missed. But yeah. You're misconnecting it. Internet done. Okay, we go. Now let's test it before we put the mounting screws on all four sides. And it's perfect. So I'll just go through the setup of the radio and what you're going to do now. Alright, so just go set it up and nice. So I might put on to the latest nearest radio station. Probably 90.9. I was thinking of that hot tomato, but hey. And there you have it. It's all set up and working. So I'll put all the rest back up and fix up all the cables here and down there for the USB, and we're all done from there. So that's the end of the installation for the Pioneer radio stereo player. We just taken out the camera and installed this U1. So I'll just get the model number for. So as you can see, it's the AVH Z Zebra 5250 BT, and we're done. Stop it now. Stop. Start